It's right here. Into it a little bit here. 34, 34.4, 34.5, 34.7, 35. Right now I'm just on the seat. Feels nice and smooth right now. Feels good going into that one. Feels nice. Say I'm over 230 pounds. This is a very steep hill. We have very steep hills where I live here. Just to give you an idea of how it's going to do with big boys. Now if you're a lighter person, you're probably just going to fly right up this hill with ease. Okay, we seem to be climbing just fine. We're going to pick up speed now because we're starting to level off.